That's right, boys and girls, the dollar's crashing. Geno Pettis Adventures. I'm still Geno. First day of the rest of your life, and somebody up there needs to get it together. The dollar has crashed in Colombia 9.1% in the last 29 days. That means my rent went up 10%. Okay? I don't like that. I don't like that. Why is there a weak dollar? We got a weak dollar because somebody's being stupid. We never had a weak dollar until 18 months of whatever the hell is going on up there is going on. My God, guys. So it's 10% this month, 10% next month. Where's it going to stop? Am I angry? You bet your butt I'm angry. Because I had it, every time I turn around, the best laid plans of mice and men sometimes go afoul. It's still good. But if it drops to 3,000 to 1, it'll still be good. It just won't be as good. That'll be a drop of about almost 40%. But we don't know where it's going to end. We don't know what's going on. But there's no reason on God's planet that the dollar should have busted down 9.1% in the last 29 days. You tell me why. I could tell you why, but you guys don't want me to have a political channel. I won't have a political channel. But that being said, Colombia is probably on the same negative path. And that's some scary stuff. So where are we going to go next? Anyway, maybe I'm just getting them in a wad for nothing. Anyway, if you would like to have a chat about this, you can call me at area code 505-501-8889. And we'll discuss it. Geno Pettis Adventures. This is the first day of the rest of your life. And if nothing changes, nothing changes. And you know that old, we're just going to put all these new people in for change. How's that working for you, boys and girls? It's the same here. It's the same here. The whole freaking planet has gone wacko. I don't even know what to say. Pissed off? You bet I'm pissed off. You know, it's not enough that after paying into the system for over 50 years, over 50 years. Sure, I made bad decisions financially. You bet your butt I did. But I still paid in for 50 years. And you think I'm getting, how much of that I'm getting back? I don't know. 30%? Maybe, if I live that long. 40%? Come on, man. I don't even know where to go with it. It's all I can do to sit here and not just scream. Yeah, I left because it was really good. But I don't know where it's going to end up, man. If it dropped 9.1% in 29 days, is that going to, that'll just stop there? Who the hell said that? Because if people don't realize a 10% drop in 30 days is a 120% drop in a year. And then stack inflation on top of that? Oh, what can I say? So, I don't even know. I still love you guys. I still love Colombia. I still love those United States. but the whole bunch of them's pissing me off. Anyway, remember, 505-501-8889. There's still a beautiful, no stress way of life here. Thank you.